Hello guys, how are you to all my friends? Please subscribe my channel. Uh, Today I details share in a topic insurance company. I said my previous video the insurance is many main two types of one types is general insurance and second or two types life insurance. So today we will know why life insurance should be done for us. Okay, let's go. Explain details. You are the sole brave owner in your family. Now, if you die suddenly, your family will be in a financial crisis. Okay, okay, yeah, you can next to my video.